So this little building here in the chicken run used to be the chickens when they were really young, the chicks' chicken coop. There's some little perches in there. It's only about 3.5 foot wide by 2.5 foot deep. But after the chickens grew out of it, basically I turned it into a bathhouse for the chickens. So I filled it up with some nice dry dirt, and got a little window in there, and I don't think you can, I don't know if I can get in there now. You can kind of see, but inside there is a bunch of dirt. Put a little bit of Fuller's earth in there, so that the chickens can go in and flutter around in the dirt, which helps get rid of parasites and keeps the excess oil off of their leaves, and keeps the chickens healthy. So when you see the chickens wallowing around in the dirt, it's not because they're crazy or they're hurt. It's because you know, it's good for their feathers and good for the skin, and kills the mites. So this is a little building that we converted just for them. And in the wintertime, when everything else is a muddy mess, this area, when they go inside here, it's a nice dry dirt. So it was working out really well.